Guidelines for reading comprehension. When you are attempting the reading section, so the first question which comes to the mind is what is reading comprehension? Comprehension is the capacity for understanding fully the act or action of grasping with the intellect. A comprehension passage is therefore a text set for testing the reader's ability to receive or take in the sense of a text by scanning, understanding the meaning of written or printed matter. Learning from what one has seen or found in writing or printing, merely identifying words on a page does not make someone a successful reader. Reading comprehension tests the reader's ability to comprehend the content as well as the organization, the style, and the theme of the passage. Questions on the passage generally appear in a chronological relationship to the passage. If they are questions to test local understanding based on fact available in the passage, then the first question should be in the earlier paragraph. If they are inferential, that is where you have to make an assumption, then you might have to collate material from various paragraphs. This would require familiarity with the entire passage. Besides this, even questions where you may be asked, for instance, to give a suitable title to the passage would again need for you to know the entire passage as well. Now we'll discuss few steps which can help you to complete the comprehension, and the step 1 here is to skim. To skim, that is skim once as rapidly as possible to determine the main idea before you look at the question. And don't worry about words you don't know at the stage, the words which have a deep meaning in it. And the second is to underline the word. To underline the words that you do not understand to facilitate a complete understanding of the passage. This will enable you to solve the vocabulary questions quicker. Then third is to look through question. Look through questions very carefully, and you are advised to keep to the order in question in which the question appear in the test paper. Read intensively the portion relevant to the answer. Now, the fourth step is to concentrate. Concentrate on the vocabulary items and puzzle out the meanings of any word you don't know from the context. So now most passages require at least 2 reading. Most passages require 2 reading. 2 reading here means that twice you have to read the paragraph. And for this I would like to say that before writing the answer, take the question again to be sure you have really understand them. And second is you must write complete sentence as answer, not the direct answer. An answer must be relevant and to the point. If the question is for 1 mark, give 1 point. If it is for 2 mark, give at least 2 points unless specified differently in the paper. Now there are again few steps which you need to follow in skimming the main idea. Steps in skimming the main idea. Step 1 is to read. That is to read the title of the passage or the poem very carefully. Determine what clues it gives you as to what the passage or the poem is about. And second, I would like to say is to watch. Watch for the keyword like causes, results, effects, etc. Do not overlook signal words such as those suggesting controversy like verses, pros and cons, which indicate that the author is planning to present both sides of an argument. And step 3 is to concentrate. To concentrate on the main ideas and ignore the details. Now I would like to discuss how to approach comprehension question. Comprehension questions. Number 1 is to that is the why question. To look for the why question. In the why question, you are required to give reasons, provide explanation and give evidence for an answer. It is essential therefore to look out for words that show cause, effect and purpose in order to arrive at the answer. These words are like the cause words are like because, due to, as, since, owing to, on account of, in that. for that reason, on the ground that, resulting from. And there are a few effect words. Effect words are like consequently, so, as a result, resulting in, therefore, and with the effect of. Second is the inference question. Inference question. In the inference question, you are required to make a deduction or draw a conclusion based on the information given in the passage. Since these are not straightforward questions, it is essential, therefore, to read between the lines for clues or hidden meanings. This can be done by understanding certain key words and phrases. At times, you can draw an inference only after reading the entire poem or the passage. And the third is to rephrase question. At times, you are required to explain a word or a phrase in your own word, or substitute a word or a phrase in the passage without altering its meaning. To do so, it is essential to understand the word or the phrase in its context. So, it is essential to read carefully what comes before and after it. Thank you.